Surely you are wondering what is Razer Gold? Razer Gold is a virtual credit system in which we are going to manage two types of virtual currencies. We have the Razer Silver and the Razer Gold. And what are these virtual currencies for? These virtual currencies, my friend, can be used in more than 34,000 games, applications and exclusive content. The funny thing is that when you make a purchase with Razer Gold, you will receive loyalty points, that is, Razer Silver. Thinking of the community, Razer created a reward system for players in which we can exchange the Razer Silver for an infinity of rewards. For example, a peripheral, that is, a keyboard, mouse, or a Razer camera. Razer right in the heart, brother. Is that seriously, have you imagined? Buying a video game and at the same time being given a peripheral is completely crazy. But hey, all this is possible thanks to the great collaborations that Razer has. For example, we have Steam, Free Fire, PUBG Mobile, Valorant, Overwatch, League of Legends, among others. Now how can we recharge the Razer Gold? We are going to go to the official page of Razer Gold. Do not worry, because here below in the description of this video, I am going to leave you the link, and then we are going to go to the upper part of the right side. We are going to log in, and if you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Then, once logged in, we are going to go to the top right side of the symbol that says recharge. We are going to click on it. We are going to wait for the page to load, and how can you notice these are the payment methods to be able to recharge the Razer Gold? This is very cool because we can recharge from different payment methods. For example, we have debit cards, credit cards, we can use PayPal if you like free market. Perfect. I am going to teach you how to recharge with MasterCard. We are going to click on MasterCard, and then down here it will tell us Razer Gold recharge information. In this case, the amount to be able to recharge Razer Gold, the minimum is 200 coins. So let's go to put 200 Razer Gold, and we are going to click on next. Then it will tell us that we do not have the TFA method configured and we have to configure it. We are going to click on it. Where is this? Or why do we do it? Well, this is to authenticate the two steps. In this case, it is to keep our Razer account secure. So they will send us a verification code to our email, in which we register. Once the verification code has been added, we will use the authentication application methods, and we are going to add our mobile phone number. In this case, we are going to click on phone, and here they are going to put their number. Next, it will ask you to enter the code that it will send to your cell phone, and these codes will appear. Guys, be very careful. You must save these codes, because if you no longer remember your password or do not remember what was your email, because they will not be able to enter your account and they will not be able to use the Razer Silver or the Razer Gold. So I recommend that you save these backup codes. If so, you liked this video, I invite you to subscribe, activate the bell, and follow me on TikTok where I am uploading gamer news. Well, nothing guys. Have a great day. See you later guys.